Kim, what do we got here?
It's a wrecked car, man.
What's in it though?
An S52.
Hell yeah.
It's fucked.
Yeah, look at this thing. It has all sorts of knackered welding.
Do it right there? Yeah. Why not just cut it right there? And then get that other side off, and then we're just pulling it right out, right? No?
That's that. What are you thinking, then cut it right at the bottom here?
Yeah, right there.
So I know this is not what anyone expected because I was very quiet about it, but this is a...
Is that Joji Vlogs?
Is that Joji Vlogs? Today on Bees for Build, I buy a wrecked E30. No, but
you, Chris.
But I found this E30 on Craigslist and I almost just couldn't resist it at the price it was at. It has a S52 swap with the ZS transmission. It has all the swap bits that I need, besides some broken mounts and stuff like that. But you know, it's got the right throttle cable, it's got the right harness, all that good stuff. So we're gonna try and get this motor out as fast as we can so nobody yells at me for having this shelf in here.
Fixed. You have a winch?
That mangled mess of scrap metal. Hell yeah! Give me the pussy, boss. Yes! This is what I really want this oil filter having.
Looks like a chin-chin. It's penis in Japanese, dude. Yeah, dude, it's fucking plastic. That's what I'm saying. Like, why the fuck would you use a plastic thermostat housing when you can just buy the metal ones for fucking cheap?
Yeah. Drop the ball.
Yeah, that's crack.
What is it?
It's crack. It's great. Right there, son. I told you. You see it?
Oh!
Right there, yeah.
I can never ever find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. it feels right. Feels right.
Okay, let me run you through today, guys. It has been absolutely nuts. So a couple weeks back, I found this S52 swapped, manual transmission, all that good stuff. It was supercharged, but chassis, this guy had wrecked it, all that good stuff. And you know, he wanted a little more than I was willing to spend. I talked him down. I go look at it, you know, the few more things were broken, like both the motor mounts were broken, the whole motor was pushed into the firewall, and all that good stuff. So we talked him down some more, and you know, today I picked it up. We agreed on a price, and I got a flatbed there at 10 a.m. today. Got it home at 11, started working on it, pulling the engine, all that stuff, and it's now 6 o'clock. But the funniest damn thing happened. So Ian and I go pick this up, right? And the guy told me, you know, it'll be ready to go. And they said, well, I don't have strut mounts, so I can't roll. So I said, okay, whatever, I'll bring some strut mounts, we'll get it put on there. I called the tow truck in the morning before I leave, and they say, oh, they'll be there around 10 or whatever. So I'm like, okay, it'll be fine. We get there, and I call the tow truck, check if Steve's coming. He's like, yeah, I'll be there in 10-15 minutes. So the tow truck arrives before we we're ready to go, and we're still we're trying to put struts on wheels on this car so we can get it onto the tow truck, and we're like, oh, this guy's gonna be so pissed. But he walks up to the car, and he looks in there, and he says, that's not the stock motor. And I was like, oh, this guy is gonna be fun. Turns out this guy was like some European guy who used to have E36s and M5s and shit like that. It was the craziest thing. He was such a cool dude. We literally talked to him for like 30-45 minutes just about BMWs and stuff like that. But it was a really cool experience overall, and I think it's gonna be pretty badass. I'm gonna hopefully figure out what I'm gonna do with this motor. If I'm gonna keep it in the current state that it's in, all beat up, rebuild it, throw it in the E30, sell it, figure out what I'm gonna do. But you know, it was a good deal, and I didn't want to pass it up. But I think I'll probably have this car out of here in a couple of days. Anyway, it was a busy day, and I'm getting kind of tired. It's getting dark out. Probably gonna call it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.